them. I can't no for them breed out of school. They would accent 2 plus 2, they're going to take 55.
It is a grand Ames back with the live with Destiny. Mr. Guys, one epa passa. I say one epa passa. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Bye y'all. Bye.
All of the European country expect rules and Russia. Check it or check them law. Go check it and come back. But in Switzerland. In Switzerland, where? I say yes. That. Go discriminate them. And not even some place in the Caribbean you can't discriminate gay people. You can't go St. Martin and Crystal and Aruba and those places or marking your say place name and discriminate the LGBT. They can prison you for that. Okay? Period. About you piece of shit. Those travel don't even know nothing. But go up on a plane yet, so they wouldn't know nothing at all. You ask them how much blood, you could ask them how much airport Jamaica have them till they're 55. And such. Get away, man. You ask them something about Jamaica, they not even know. You could ask them who is the prime sentence and any of them maroon. And some done dirty drunk of them here. You can't stay there when they're ready for type. And some done squawk at them. I can't find no for them breed out of school. You would ask them 2 plus 2, they're going to take 55. So the blood of Jesus against my wall. The blood of Jesus against my wall. The blood of Jesus against my all. You're lucky. You're lucky, my love. You think, you me tell you something. I idea my look me. A whole heap of celebrity blood clot day my look me. Move up. I remember we no walk and do live, we no walk and tell blood clot live. The whole world gone. What you gonna do? Like how you can't get no man and the body them shit up. Girl, just go kill yourself. I go make a dog. Like how you can't get no blood clot, man. And the body them gone to batty. All they do, my girl, you make a dog fuck. A dog now fuck dog in them batty. I put the dog a fuck. So go and make a dog fuck you. Simple as that. Go and make a dog fuck you. Cause you no fun was sweep for no man and no man a walk a fuck batty. You no pit them a walk a fuck batty. Talk it truth. Remember I say we can't wait for no man a batty man, you know who can't know. One girl text me the other day. London, black them people off of my life, please. Black them. Black all of them, London. These people, black them. Yeah. First and foremost, one girl texts me the other day. Destiny, I saw my man follow you. I want you to know if me and your man in my man and you in business. Me not even say, oh my man did follow me. I say, girl, me and your man ain't nothing. I just follow about the blood clot, man. I say, look here, me you know, sir. Blood clot. As a bad bitch. As a bad bitch. That's how it work. That's how it work. First and foremost, when we talk about Batman and Batman, you could even live a foreign and discriminate us. You could even spit and see a gay man and say, you could even say what you said on the live right now to me. Because I could lock you up. I could just lock you up. You could even say, bah. You never know that? I could just lock you up for that. The most strictest law in the world is the LGBT law. That is the one of the most strictest law. In most of the country, let me see how this. The LGBT law is one of the strictest law. Very strict, darling. Because if you spit, I can just lock you up just for spit. And then you can't just see me and just spit. And me can't say me I hate crime. You never know that? Yes, darling. Yes. in the world are Switzerland, Canada, Germany, England, America, Australia, Taiwan, St. Martin, all that. Come on for the live, yeah. Dirty girl. Come on for this. Go wash your big stinking dirty gingivitis. Go make a dog shit. Yeah. Oh my God, I really want to do that tattoo on my belly. I really want to put on this. I really need to do it, guys. This one. You see, if I when I text the guy and he not answer. This one. Me? I go all to blood clot because I can't do tattoo, you know. The man I can't do it, you know, I have to ask him. He might look me so I will do it. World. Come out of the world, man. You're not the world, you know, come out of the world. I have my blood clot live. No call thinking, pussy Ivan the name for me chat. When she get her papers, you know, call her name. Come on for this man. Every time I make a blood clot video, when I call this big stinking blood clot, non-asylum seekers, girl, yeah. We don't have no passport for my blood clot, page. But this man, the fuck boy, yeah. The papers, man. Yeah, but me I got the pharmacy. Me head not dizzy again. Me care about wake up, me care about thinking pussy share. Me care about them the dirty girl with grade them pitney. The my mother. Me care about she.